This is the Opebi Mende link bridge, which has been in construction for a year now. This bridge, as you can see, has been completed, the bridge itself, but there are still construction that needs to be done, especially under the bridge, beneath the bridge, which is mostly about the drainage and some diversion that needs to be completed. On today's video, we'll be taking a look to discover more and actually know what's holding this bridge. If you come closer to this bridge, for instance, if you walk on the bridge, you will know that pedestrians could actually get access to the bridge, and people riding bikes and Okada, as it's called, motorcycle, could actually get access to the bridge. But anything other than that, the bridge is totally closed because there are barricades, there are blockages they use in blocking the bridge in certain areas. So that alone would not grant anyone access into this vicinity. On today's video, I'll be showing you a drone view like now of how this bridge looks. The drainage, as you can see, which goes under this bridge has not been completed, and is a massive drainage of over 10 feet wide, and it needs to be completed because here is a very big swampy area, and without drainage this bridge is not going to last. It's definitely going to fall one day. So aside from that, a lot of people has been asking about this project, and that is the reason why I decided to create this particular video and also make sure all of us are following up and up to date. This is the Opebi Mende Bridge, and let's take a drone view and enjoy the rest of the video. As you can see right here, this is the Opebi link bridge, which is under construction. But of course, the road is completed, but there's no sign of it being opened anytime soon. So I came here to make this video and set it clear. Anything about opening is not yet on the map right now. The barricade which they use in blocking the bridge, everything is still there, so they blocked all the road, all the intersection. People who can get access are those people riding on bicycle for now, and we that we are trekking. But if you have a car, you can't access this road for now. this is another intersection that the bridge came together. This part will go and take you to join the Ikorodu Expressway, and if you follow this other part, it will link you to the main bridge itself. So this is an intersection right there.